Well, you see, you know what
Hey,
we're going to do with this?
Here we are at the
This is our worm.
Sugarhouse.
We're going to start making moonshine pretty soon.
Oh, there you go. You got the worm.
We got the worm. We're gonna make some moonshine.
Yeah.
We're making maple syrup, but we want to make some milk with
It's going to be
moonshine.
young stump moonshine. If it ain't garbage, we ain't selling.
There you go, guys. We're boiling. I got my niece Stacy over there making supper.
It's the shit.
She's making supper for everybody. We're all sitting down here just waiting for the supper. And we still got mud. We got mud for sale. If anybody wants to buy mud, we got plenty of it. And now it's raining, so we got more mud coming. Got plenty of mud, folks. Plenty of mud. Plenty of mud. We're getting a little bit low on sap. Well, we got about 50, 60 gallons left, I guess. So we got a little bit of sap left.
About 20 gallons down below, you know.
Yeah, and we got,
Peace out.
get the finishing up over there. We're getting it.
Well, you open that up, it's open. That's probably why.
Woo! There's our cook over there. She's the camp cook.
Eyeballs are burning.
The Sugarhouse
I
cook.
think they opened that up.
The Sugarhouse cook is cooking.
Because there's too much wood in there right now.
Yeah.
Yep, there's too much wood. Gotta wait till it calms down a little bit. But it's boiling. The steam is pouring. There's Gabby. Gabby, where are you going?
We don't swear around here, Stacy. I know I don't. I lead by example.
There's my wife and my nephew. They're trying to figure out something on the phone. I don't know what. There they are.
Look at my door.
Here it is, folks. That's the Sugarhouse. So that's it. That's the Sugarhouse.
I know
On a Saturday night
I saw them down there.
in March.
Yeah.
Something, I don't know what day it is, but I know it's Saturday. It's today the 30th. Oh, that's right. It's Rose's birthday. She should know the date. Thanks, folks, for watching. Louie out.
Peace out, young family and all. Woohoo!